student. So today again we are going to continue with the chapter 6, that is indices. So student, I hope you all had watched my previous video which contains practice set 26, 27 and 28. I hope you all had understood that. If you missed it, link is already given into the description box. You can check from there and learn how to solve that practice set. So student, let's begin with this module. Student, let us start with practice set 29. So student, today we are going to start with practice set 29. Student, in my previous video we had already discussed about laws of indices. Okay, so we are going to solve practice set 29, that is first sum. Same question I had written here in my notebook. Okay, so we are going to do the simplify square bracket round bracket 15 upon 12 raised to cube. This is cube, 3 is cube, then square bracket closed raised to 4. Okay student, as we discussed that when 3 and 4, this 2 power is there, okay, index is there, so we are going to do the multiplication. Okay, so now the solution, what we are going to do, first remove this square bracket, we will put round bracket 15 upon 12 and then here we are going to do the multiplication 3 into 4. How we got this? From the law a raised to m square raised to n is equals to a raised to m into n. Okay, this law we had learned. Now next step, 15 upon 12, 3 fours is 12. So this is the answer. Okay, this is nothing but answer. Now one more sum we will see student. We will see sum number 3. Okay, so square bracket round bracket 1 upon 7, then again minus 3, here minus sign is there. Okay, then square bracket closed raised to 4. So student, what we are going to do, we are going to do the again same way multiplication. Okay, so first step 1 upon 7 minus 3 into 4, so 1 upon 7 minus 3 fours are 12, same way. So student, I hope you all, one more sum we will do student. We will do second sum. Let's do second sum. All sums are similar. Then 3 raised to 4 minus 2, that is square. So 3, 4 twos are 4 into minus 2, so 4 twos are 8. Answer is minus 8. Student, now entire sum of first. Okay, simplify, you are going to do the entire sum in your maths notebook. So student, now practice at 29 second sum, that is write the following numbers using positive indices. Student, this is the number, we are going to make this negative index, this is the index, this is the base. Okay, so this negative index has to be converted into a positive number. Okay, so same question I had done here, written here. Student, what you are going to do is very simple, just change this. Okay, change the numerator denominator, means that denominator will go up and numerator will come down. Okay, so here the index will be changed. So I'll write here 7 and down will be 2. So this negative will become positive. Either you can mention a positive sign or you can just leave it, okay, as it is. So 7 upon 2 raised to 2. Okay, this is understood. So student, now we are going to do square practice set 30.
Students, now let us start with practice set 30.
Students, now I told you practice set 30. Find the square root. Okay, we are going to find the square root of this following number. So student, for doing this, same question I had written here. For doing this, we are going to use a prime factor method. Okay, first we are going to find the prime factors of all the given number, like all this number, and then we are going to put in pairs of equal factor. So let's do factorization of this number 625. As I taught you, we are going to check this unit place number, that is 5. Okay, unit, 10, 100. So this place number we are going to check whether it is even or a odd. So 5, it's a odd number, so it is going to divisible by a odd table. ओके, ऑड के टेबल के नंबर, ऑड के टेबल में ही डिविजिबल होगा ऑड नंबर. ओके, सो फ्रॉम 2 आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेक, फ्रॉम 3 it is not there, from 4 not possible because it's a even number. 5, yes, from 5 I will check. So 5, 125 is 625. You can do the division and check. Okay, see, by doing division you can check. 625 by 5, 1s are 5, then here 2, then 5, 2s are, sorry, 2s are will be 10, then here 2, then this 5 will be down, then 1, 5s are 25, then 0, 0. So you got 125. So here 125. Okay, now 125 again from 2 ka table is 2, 5 25s are, then 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, so we got the prime factor of this number. So we will write the common factor, that is 5. This side number you are going to write here, 5 into 5 into 5 into this 5. Okay, form the pair. So common number का pair बनाना है, तो 1 pair and second pair. Okay, so एक pair का एक number लेना है 5 into 5, and यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा square root. This is the root, under root. Okay, so 5 5s are 625 is equals to 5 5s are 25. So your answer will be 25. Okay, so I hope you all understood this. Now we are going to, student, one more sum of 30, practice set 30 we will do is fifth one. So 1089, again I told you we will see even or odd. So it's a even odd number. So from odd table 3, we will start with the smallest table. Okay, so 3 6 3 3 6 3 363, then 3 121 is 363, then 11. From 3 this will not go, so we will check from 11 table. 11 11s are 121 and 11 1s are. Okay, so we got 3 3 11 11. So here we will write, student, here 1 I wrote, so I will write here. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. This number I have written, okay, 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. I had formed the pairs of a equal number, okay. So I'll take one number from this pair and one number from this pair. So 3 11s are, so answer will be 33. Okay, so answer is 33. So student, now I want you to do this entire practice set 30. Okay student, on page number 50, below this practice set 30, you will see that something more is given. Student, we did this practice set 30 by using prime factorization method. Okay, we found out that prime number, prime factor, and then we did the sum. But we can find the square root by using division method. Okay, by division method as well. What we did, student, we did prime factorization method. This was prime factorization method, and then we also can use division method. Now let's see how to use this method, means how to write. Okay, so we are going to find the square root of 90801. So student, first you are going to form the pair. Okay, so this two number 98 should be we are going to take any table, but it should be smaller number. Okay, so I'll take 9s. Student, listen, whenever you will write here 9, then up will also be 9 and here down will also be 9. So 9 9s, what will come? 81. Okay, and here we are going to do the addition. Okay, no subtraction, it will be addition. So 9 plus 9 will be 18, and we are going to do this minus. We got 17. Now this number will come down. Okay, now whatever number you are adding, okay, to this 18, whatever number, it should be that कि इसके टेबल में 1701 आना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इससे कम आना चाहिए. So I'll put 89. Okay, see, for an example 18 was there, I'll put 4. Okay, here also 4 and above also will be 4. So 184 4s will be how much? Let's see. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 33, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7 7. Okay, it is too small. Okay, so we cannot put 4. Okay, so we will see 188. Okay, I'll put 8 here. Let's see, जो यहाँ पे डालोगे नंबर वही इससे मल्टीप्लाई करके ये वाला नंबर आना चाहिए. ओके, सो 8 8s are 64 को 4 6 कैरी, 8 8s are 64 प्लस 6 is 70, 0, 8 1s are 8, 15. So students, still it is less, so we will see with 9. Okay, so 189 into 9, जो नंबर यहाँ डालोगे उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करके ये नंबर आना चाहिए. 9 9s are 81, 1898 72 plus 8 will be 80. So 0 again 8, 9 1s are 9 plus 8 17. So student, we got same number. So 9 9 1 7, 189 9s are 1701, and here also will be 9 because what I took 9 na, so same number. So 198, and here will be 0. So student, I hope you understood this division method as well, but this practice set you are going to do by using prime factorization method.
Students, we had completed with chapter 6, that is indices. I hope student you all had understood this chapter thoroughly. Student, you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me in the comment box. Till then student, take care. And if you like my video and you want me to make such an educational video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.